What's up everyone, this is me again and I'm back with another video. I know it has been a while since I made my last video, but I have come again with a very brilliant and amazing breakfast recipe. It's Eggless Banana Oats Pancakes. Yup. See, I love pancakes and I love to indulge more and experiment more into this favorite breakfast recipe of mine, and I hope most of you all do it. Now these banana oats pancakes, they are super easy to make and super delicious because see, what's not to love about this? There's bananas, there's oats, and it's pancakes after all. So there's a win-win situation for you. Well, actually it's win-win and win. So yeah, let's wait no more and get into this super fun, indulging and healthy breakfast recipe right away. Go guys, see, it's super fun and so super easy to make, and it's definitely a healthy option for you, for those people who want to get into the breakfast routine but do not know what to eat. I think this is a very easy and very good option to go for. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. Hope you guys loved the video, hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope you will definitely follow it and get into your morning routine. So yeah, there's that much from my side. You know the drill, people. Just like, share and follow this video and just spread it, let the cheer flow. I'll be back with more videos. Till then, just be safe and happy and keep your gut happy. So till then, bye bye, take care.